With STEP Robotics, you can generate three kinds of reports: the Skyline Report, the Array Report, and the Client Report. The Skyline Report gives you the solar access from a particular point of the roof. The Array Report generates the solar access for the complete array. It takes all the skylines and combines them together to give you the production from the array. The Client Report is more detailed and generates a client proposal that the client can sign and complete a contract. In the Client Report, you have to select the client usage profile, the energy rate plan, the bank financing, and the system component to generate a complete production analysis, payback analysis, and financial modeling. Once you are done with analyzing the skylines, you can select on Reports. This will give you the option of generating the Skyline Report, the Array Report, or the Client Report. Clicking on the Skyline Report will give the analysis for a selected point on the roof. This will also give you the percentage solar access for each month. Sharing this report will create CSV files for shading as well as insolation of that skyline. Clicking on the Array Report will generate a report for all the skylines in an array. If you find a certain skyline on the array to be heavily shaded, you can either move the source of shading or you can decide not to install the panels on that part of the roof. You can deselect Include in Report. You can further optimize the array by clicking on the Optimize button. This will run several simulations on a server and will give you a comparative production analysis for each tilt and azimuth. Clicking on a certain tilt and azimuth will give you the production after self-shading of the array. It will give you the panel-to-panel distance between different mounting structures. Sharing an array report will generate CSV files for all the skylines and the array. We generate all the CSVs generated by other shading tools. These CSVs can be emailed or shared through several other methods like uploading to Google Drive. If the installer has internet access at the location of the site visit, all of this data is stored online and the field operations manager can download all this data in real time from their computer. You can generate a client sales proposal in less than 5 minutes. However, you will have to set up your online account for the first time. You can set up client usage profiles based on their energy usage patterns. For example, if a husband and wife work during the daytime, you may create a profile that has usage during the evenings. Clicking on the client report will take you to a different screen where you determine the size of your system according to the usage profile and requirements of your customer. We have made this process extremely simple. However, we highly recommend that you watch the video on setting up usage profiles. For now, you select a usage profile and add the yearly consumption of your customer in kilowatt hours. Please notice that after entering the yearly usage, the app distributes the yearly consumption according to the energy usage profile that you had selected for different months. You can further edit the monthly consumed units as per customer requirement. For example, if the customer is going for a vacation in June-July, his consumption for his on-grid system can be very low in June and July. After you've confirmed the usage, you then go on to select the energy rate plan. Both the energy profiles and the energy rate plans for your market or region can be updated and defined on the Installer Management web portal. On the next page, you should select the approx size and selling price of your system. Please select if any government incentives or discounts are applicable and then select the type of loan financing facility that you want to avail for the purchase. The government incentives, discounts, and loan packages can be customized on the web portal according to options available in your region. More of this will be explained and shown in the web portal demos. Once you've selected the incentive and financing fields, you click on Next to generate the client report. The next step is to select the inverter, module panels, and enter the system sizing with the help of given fields. After selecting and entering the system sizing data, you click on Generate Report. The StepSolar app will generate an on-site detailed site analysis and production report for your client. On the first page, you will see the cost, overall production percentage of your system, and the solar production versus consumption of the system that you have selected. The second page will give you payback analysis and the overall cost of energy for both the solar system and the utility that you currently have. The third page will give you the details of how your cost of electricity will look like for the next 25 years. That is with or without the solar system, and also the yearly savings in terms of cost. This same report you can show to your clients on your phone for the review and buy-in. You can also email the report directly from your phone for your client's reference there and then.